Girl, you running? We gotta run to the playground. You running? Why you stop running? You don't need to run? Okay. I know I got Erica's phone. It's my phone now. Come on, Jordan. Let's keep going. Come on. We got to go to the park. Come on. Get up there. Yeah. Come on. Go. Give me this big old stick. You don't need the big one. Uh-oh. Let me see your hand, Roogie. Oh. Let me see. Mommy, wipe your hand off. Jordan. There you go. So guys, today is our first day back at vlogging.
Hi guys. I got a stick.
Erin has us showing you her stick.
And it hurt my hand.
Yeah, and she fell. Andrew, come on here. I don't know what he's doing, trying to fit his big head through the gate.
And Jordan hit right over there and I saved that.
He was taking up for you. He whooped that ground, said, don't mess with Erin no more. Don't make her fall, right? That's what he did.
Yeah, don't fall, Erin.
So y'all, we on our way to the park. We just left Erica's bus stop. So we're getting ready to go to the park and let them burn off some morning energy this morning.
Mom,
what? We're gonna go this way. Come on guys, jump down. Ready, jump. Whoop. Uh-oh, good job. You did it. Jump, Roogie, jump. You walked around. That's right. Tell them, don't make you fall. Okay, y'all. This way. Come on, let's go. Ready, jump. Ready, jump. Good job. Come on, Roogie. Ready, jump. Good job. Come on, let's go get on the swing. Come on, Jolie. Ready, jump. Good job. Come on, let's go.
Mom, over here.
Yep, this way. Roogie. Go that way. Come on, up there. We got a playground right up here. You want to go get on the swing? So they're going to run up here. I'm not walking in the grass because it is all good on the ground. Up. Uh-oh, get on up. I love this camera quality on here. It is everything. Boy, that's 2 times for him. Actually, no, it's 3 times since we've been out the house. He done failed. So we're going to this little playground that's up here in my complex. Right now, I am recording on... Go another one down. I'm recording on a Samsung Galaxy Note 5, which is Erica's old phone. Erica now has an iPhone 6. And I took this one. But I have my own phone. I have a Galaxy myself. I have a Samsung Galaxy J7. But I'm using hers I'm using it for strictly for camera quality. Because this camera is like everything, y'all. So yeah. I'm getting ready to let them play for a while. Oh, I thought somebody was calling. Getting ready to let them sit out here and play for a while. It's like 9 o'clock. Let's see exactly what time it is. It is Tuesday, March 7th, and it is 9:07. I got some stuff I need to check on. So yeah, that's it. 9:06. So we'll probably be out here till like 9:20. So, uh-oh. Say I love you, YouTube.
I love you, YouTube.
What happened? Let me see. What happened? Come show me. You gonna show mommy what happened? Come on, cause you sweating under here. Come on, come show me. What happened?
He fell down the slide.
You fell down? You want to get on the swing? Yeah, when he get on this swing, he will be on here forever. You want to swing? Okay. Where you at? Are you under there?
I got it!
I'm gonna get you. Come on. Georgie, where you at? Are you hiding from me?
No!
I'm gonna get you. I can't get you. Ah, ah. Ah, I found you. I found you.
Goodbye.
Come on down. Your nose running. Come on, snotty nose. Come on, snotty nose. Ah, ah. I can't get you. I got your knees. I got your knees. I got you. I got you. I got your fingers. I got your fingers. Ah, ah, ah. I can't. I got you. Ah, ah. I can't get you. Hold on. Let me push him. And you need to learn how to push yourself, baby. I told you to swing your legs, right?
Yes.
Why you not swinging your legs? Yes, Rugi. You want me to push? Please. There you go. Rugi like to swing. Hold on, and hold on. Let me get him going high. Back up, back up. Move, I don't want to. Move. Wait a minute. What? What? He do not. Jordan do not get on the swing for nothing, y'all. Jordan stays on the slide. Watch out! Ah! He kicked him right in the head. And all he did was laugh, y'all. He's a danger. Danger to himself. You want me to push you? So y'all, I'm getting my own workout on. Out here. Pushing and playing. Playing and pushing. The sky is blue. It's a pretty sky out today. Alright, you guys. We'll see you back in the house. I'm going to finish playing with these little munchkins. Say, see you in the house. Whee! Want to do it again? You want to go down the slide? No? Okay. Aaron, you going to go down the slide? Oh, be careful. You're doing a good job. No, you're doing good. Good job. You're a big girl. Wait a minute, y'all do one at a time. Or you can go together. Hold hands. Ready? Oh, you don't want to go at the same time? Okay, come on, Aaron. You go first. Girls first. Ready, go. Yeah. Woo! Good job, Aaron. Where you going? You going back up? Who's next? Jordan, are you coming? Whee! Uh-oh. You guys having fun? Uh-oh, here comes a truck. Here comes a truck. He's gonna get you. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The baby on the bus go wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The baby on the bus go wah wah wah, all through the town. The mommy on the bus go shh 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 shh. Oh, good job! I don't know what that was, y'all. Let me see. Didn't I say we was going in the house at 9:20, y'all? It is now 9:31. My kids ain't got me again. I can't resist. Up! 9:31, and we still outside. That's all right. Up, focus. There we go. Where you going? You going back up? I guess we'll go in there at 9:40. Let them play, go in the house and get a bath. Knock these dirt crumbs off. Whee! Your back hurts? Oh, get your face off of there. That's dirty. Yeah, now we really gotta take a good scrub. From the top of her head to the crown of her feet. Lord Jesus. The crown of her head to the soles of her feet. Johnny, eating sugar, telling lies. Open your mouth. Woo! That damn cat. That cat better gone. I got me a stick. I'll beat the. Hold on, let me get a bigger. Come on, get over here. Andrew, get over here. Come on, y'all, let's go. No, come on, because I don't like cats. Come on. Yeah, that cat ran over here like he was in full force. Come on, because I'm going to tear this cat up. Come on, let me go find a big stick. Come on. Yes, I'm going to tear that cat up. I'm sorry, y'all, my animal lovers, but if that thing mess with my babies, it's No, we're not gonna hit it. Come on, we're gonna go home. Why? Mommy don't yeah. Alright, y'all, we're going to the house now. Sorry, 9:40. 9:39. We've been in the house 9:35. We had fun. We had fun while it lasted till the cat scared me. Jordan, put it down! Jordan, put that down! Just, stop it! Come on! Yeah, it's a damn dead bird. Woo, y'all, I gotta. Alright, y'all, so we gotta take a bath after y'all playing with. Playing with a freaking dead bird, y'all. Like, who does that? My son does that, obviously. And then that damn cat, y'all, started chasing us home. Like, I got to the top of my steps and I was going to check the mailbox, and the daggone cat was running up behind us. Oh, that's what I get to say. I knew I should have came in the house at 9:20 like I had planned. But no, I'm going to be nice, Mom, and sit outside for an extra 10-20 minutes. I need a snack. But I'm not drinking some to eat. I'm going to fry egg. Y'all want an egg?
Yeah.
I'm going to fry some eggs, get them washed in lotion.
Mom, did you lock the door?
Yes, I locked the door.
The cat was getting in the
No,
door.
the cat not going to get in. Y'all scared to go back outside, like for real.
Mom. Tell Danae.
Okay, I'm going to tell Deanna. I don't abuse animals. So don't pull that thing side. You're going to make that, okay, that water going to come out on your head.
Yeah,
It's so filthy. I threw all three of them in the bathtub at one time. Oh, I need to take this water off. My clothes are so much. Stop it! Yeah, alright, y'all. Let me go. Let me try to figure this out. I need to upload these and get them off this file.
He's party, baby. Oh, oh, nah, bum, 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 bum.